Hey everybody, welcome to Potbelly Pete Reviews and EHP for a short period that I'm filming on both channels today. So I'm here to review these new Takis fuego. I do believe these are a Mexican snack, but my local corner shop, literally 2 doors down from me, started stocking these. Okay, the price may be a bit steep. I paid £1.49 for this small 55-gram bag. He also does the larger bags, £3.49, but I can't justify paying nearly £4 for a bag of crisps if they don't taste good. I don't know if these taste good or not. I've heard mixed reviews, but only me, I could decide what they are. So I'm going to crack these open. I love the packaging at first. Look at that. Packaging, such an eye-catching package. The colours are bright, vibrant. You can see what's supposed to be on the front. These are chili and lime. I do like the 2 flavours of chili and lime. Weird. Don't know what to make of the smell of that. Okay. I'll pour these out to the bowl. How weird do they look? Like rolled tortilla chips. Weird. Still can't work out that smell. I've got a couple of dips beside me to try them with a dip, but first I'm going to try these. Oh, the acid of that lime gives your taste buds a good kicking. And then you got the heat coming through. I'm going to see what chilies this has got in a sec. You got an amazing crunch, but that acid of that lime is really, really punchy. Really have got a really nice crunch to these. Set on my palate nice and well. For a non-chili head, yeah, I'd say these are extreme. For a chili head, like myself, nah, not extreme enough. Flaming hot monster munch have got more heat than these. Little rolled tubes. On a heat scale, I'd say they're about a 1.5. I wouldn't say they're any hotter than a 1.5 for myself. Let's try with a little dip. These little dips came with pizza from my local pizzeria. It's a garlic and herb dip. Let's see if these enhance flavour. That works. The garlic and herb takes away the edge of that really, really punchy lime. One more. So, the burning question is, would I buy them again? Yes, I would buy them again, but no way am I paying the £3.45 for a larger bag. I think one small bag It's ample for a light snack to enjoy with a few beers. But yeah, I do know there's a few other retailers in the UK which are selling them at slightly cheaper prices, so I may go to them in future. Yeah, that was a great, great product. So, pressing on, please check out my sponsors, Black Art Biltong. I'm representing some of their merch today. We've got the bucket hat, we've got that Beast Mode t-shirt, and we've got none other than the Ignis Bovis Black Art Biltong challenge they brought out. This is seriously hot stuff. Tasty as. I was the first person in the UK to complete the challenge with a time of 5 minutes, with a 5-minute burn. I do believe Ben at Black Art Biltong may still have a few of these laying around. If not, check out Flavour and Fire. Probably got some on his website. Also, if you've not heard, I have been making my own tinks recently, and this one is called Black Death, which is a super hot tink. I have 3 bottles of this available. I'm willing to sell to UK people only because I don't want to pay the extortionate international shipping prices. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, anyone in the UK, drop me a message. I'll sort you out a bottle and only 3 remaining. So please check that out. Anyway, I think that's about it for today. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share Potbelly Pete Reviews, where I'll be reviewing all manner of foods and snacks from the spicy world, from the non-spicy world. Who knows? Anything new in the shops, this will be the first place to see it. Also, remember to like, subscribe, share. Yeah, Extreme Heat Pete YouTube. Now we're at 260 subscribers still, but I still want it to grow, even though Potbelly Pete's my second channel where I'll be concentrating more on that. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I hope to see you again very soon. Hopefully we'll have a brand new snack. And so I'm going to keep my eyes peeled for anything new out there. I know I've got some things on my monthly shopping list which I wouldn't mind filming. But for now, I've been Potbelly Pete, stroke EHP. I will catch you later, people. Bye.